To say that Alvernia has delivered is an understatement. They have time after time delivered on so many opportunities to this point that I can't even put them on my resume.
I chose marketing because I've always been drawn to content creation and storytelling. Being able to let my creativity flourish at Alvernia.
What led me to business administration and finance was I've always been around business my whole life. I grew up going to flea markets with my father, so that taught me I wanted to do something that interacted with people.
The only way students are really going to learn about what they're interested in and what their passion is by doing.
So what led me to picking up finance later as a second major was the OPAIC Institute. I'm an OPAIC fellow of more of management, but like financial and client services. It gives me a lot of real world exposure. Let's say you're in your typical internship. A lot of those companies, depending on where you are, may just give you busy work. But with OPAIC, it's completely like student run. I do all the client work, like I schedule the meetings, I would do it on my own. It's a great experience to like really get your feet wet.
The Community News Lab, you tie with a bunch of different news organizations in the Berks County area. You get to be able to talk with them and get news stories like bounce off one another to figure out something you want to talk about. I feel like it's made my news writing a lot better.
The most valuable piece of education I've received here at Alvernia was the blend of coursework while also being the marketing and communications department, where not only I can learn about my major and what marketing even entails, but actually do it in real time for an actual institution.
Before I walked into a class with Dr. Jane Brooker, I really didn't have a direction in what I wanted to do with my marketing degree. Dr. Brooker, she said, I want you to come along to this sales competition. And the sales competition was honestly such a great experience. I was able to land an internship, which led to a return offer for a job that I've accepted.
I've had two big internships, Channel 69, WFMZ, and 830 WEEU. WFMZ literally came from connections with teachers and professors here, like Dr. Jody Radosh, and WEEU also came from that connection with the Community News Lab because they were one of the partners.
I've talked to a lot of freshmen. Whenever I tell them about Alvernia, I tell them, look, run with opportunities because they're going to pay massive dividends. Club hockey has now led me to, in March, I'll be in Jacksonville calling the Nationals games for Division II and Division III teams.
BCTV, they're a studio that's in-house in College Town. Like, we brought back the Alvernia campus show and being able to partner with that studio, and they could let all these other students who may not have been like looking at news production.
My first day coming to the Post Center, I thought like, wow. Like, I mean, you have the Bloomberg lab here, there's nursing in here, there's business, there's OT, there's so many other like diverse like students that you would see.
They have podcast rooms, the plug and play room here, where they give you access to professional cameras, audio equipment, anything you would need to actually express your creativity.
Say I'm working on a team project and I need to step out to ask someone a question. All I have to do is walk up one flight of stairs and there's a number of professors and they're always willing to help.
So let's say I have an 8 a.m. class downstairs. 11 a.m. would be my next class. And so any break I have in between, I can just pop in the office, I can get some work done, I can see some great people, I can ask any questions I may have.
I think it's really neat that other faculty from other departments are seeing what we have here and they're reaching out and saying, hey, can your students help us create this? Can they help us with this video?
Those opportunities are exciting. And I don't even know what they'll be, but that's the exciting part of it.
It is almost like a small community. Everybody knows what everybody's up to, what's going on. Someone gets a new dog, we're all onto it. And that's amazing to have that in this small of a college.
It gives us the opportunity to get to know our students more and for them to get to know us. We hear of internships, have our connections with local companies that we can introduce our students to them.
Coming into college as a freshman is hard, but being a baseball player, it was really great to come in here, join a group of 70 guys, and really be a part of a family from day one.
Here at Alvernia, service learning is woven into everything that we do. It's a chance for students to really lend their academic expertise to a community partner.
It's been very amazing to blend my passion in actually helping businesses where I grew up in. And it honestly has been a dream for me to do so.
At Alvernia, we hope that all of our students not only do well, but they also do good.
When you come here, the value proposition is make your own adventure. That is what you can do here at Alvernia. You can make your own adventure. You have to really be trying not to do anything to not do something.